So we have seen the necessity of coding and why do you code a given binary number for representation, storing, transmitting and receiving the information. So binary coded decimal, or we also call it as 8421 code. The reason why we'll see now. Now this BCD code is actually representation of any decimal digit. A single decimal digit is replaced by a 4-bit binary code, means a 4-bit binary number. Now, so we have already seen that this what you call a binary number is a weighted code. So here also when we say that BCD number is a 4-bit code, so what will be the column wise weighted weight of each position or the symbols which are in the code, like right from, if we start from the LSB to MSB, there are 4 bits. So the weight will be 2 raised to, from LSB it will be 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4 and 2 raised to 3 is 8. So hence we call it as 8421 code. Hence we have seen that any binary code or number, when we represent as a n-bit number, so how many combinations do we get of the strings of 1 and 0? 2 raised to n combination, right? So same way now when it is a 4-bit code, how many combinations we'll have? We will have combinations of 0 to 15, that is total 16, isn't it? But in BCD code we do not take the total all the 16 combinations like hexadecimal code. So we can this is also a one form of representation of hexadecimal code, where we represent after 9 we represent the double digit number by alphabets, and we represent each digit in a hexadecimal number with 4-bit binary. So here so after 9, whatever it is a BCD code, binary coded decimal. So we know that decimal number is a number from 0 to 9. So totally there are 10 digits. So which means that each digit from 0 to 9 we can represent by 4-bit binary, followed from 2 raised to weight assigned column wise will be from 2 raised to 0 to 2 raised to 4. But after 9, whichever codes will be there or whichever number will have a 2-digit number like 10, 11, 12, they are invalid. Though we are having 16 combinations because of a 4-bit code, those numbers after 9 are invalid. The reason is we are coding here each decimal digit with 4-bit binary, right? So decimal numbers are only 10 digits, 0 to 9. So definitely after 9 whichever numbers are there, they are not considered, they are considered as invalid. Before 10, which 0 to 9, whatever numbers are there, decimal number, those are represented by 4-bit binary number. Followed? So those are called as valid code. Now what is the purpose of representation of this BCD code? Here whatever decimal number we have, instead of, see, suppose instead of representing suppose we have a big number, a 3-digit number, a 2-digit number, say 51, or we have a 3-digit number, a 4-digit number or a 10-digit number. If we represent this number in strings of ones and zeros, take example of 16. So 16 we represent as, how do we represent 16 as? We will represent as 1 0 0 0 1 and after that 4 zeros. Okay, 5-digit number in binary. So that is easy to understand. But after 16, if we increase 316 or we have 160, so when the digits goes on increasing, the number, decimal number value goes on increasing, the binary strings or the strings of 1 and 0 will also go on increasing, but it is difficult to remember. Every time you have to calculate and find out. So then what is the easiest method we can do? So this BCD code helps us, though it is an early code, but it is still used in electronic systems for encoding. So the easiness is what? Instead of representing 60, it's equivalent to find equivalent binary of 60. Instead of that, we separate the two numbers, that is into 6 and 0, and represent 0 as 4-bit equivalent number and 6 as 4-bit equivalent number, and that combine those strings of 1 and 0, those 4-bit and 4-bit groups, and then it becomes equivalent of 60. Followed? So this is easier. Instead of remembering, suppose it is a 5-digit number 41506. So if you find the string of binary ones and zeros, it will be such a lengthy number. Imagine the memory storage required, and imagine that how much we have to remember, how much calculation we have to do there. So instead of that, the simplest, easiest way is what? Separate the each number, whatever 4, 5, 6, whatever we have taken, separate it as 4, 5, 6, and go on representing each decimal digit with its equivalent 4-bit binary, and then combine that, and that will be our equivalent BCD code for the given decimal number. So this way you can encode your any information in form of any information, decimal information in form of binary, that is using BCD code. Followed? Now one example is shown. See, look here in the slide. 345 or 345 is the decimal number. So what we have done, look at the slide. We have separated 5, 4, 3. We generally start from rightmost digit to leftmost, and represent 5. What is the equivalent 4-bit of 5? 0, 1, 0, 1. Equivalent of 4 is what in 0, 1, 0, 0. 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. Combine them and write what is the equivalent of 3, 4, 5. You can check it, cross check it by using this 8421 code. Assign the binary weights and cross check. So this is where we saw in the last lecture the need of coding. It decreases the size of the memory. It makes our representation easier. Though this is not frequently used, previously it was used, but still it is in use. Remember that. This is the advantage of BCD. One more example is shown, say 85. Okay, so here also what we can do, 5 represents separately, write down 5 separately, 8 separately. Write the equivalent 4-bit of number 5 and equivalent 4-bit of number 8 and combine them together. That will give you your equivalent BCD code for the given number. So this way we assign, why it is called 8421, that is shown here again. We represent as the power of 2. Clear? So this is what is BCD representation. It is used in electronic system. Not only that, it makes your addition also simpler. Suppose we add two decimal numbers, say 55 and 25. So what we'll do there, we will take the equivalent of 55 and 25. Instead of that, what we can do, separately represent number 55, take the equivalent BCD code of 55, and in the second number 45, separate 4 and 5, take the equivalent of 4 and 5 and add the number. Addition will give you the same number what you require while adding 45 and 55. So what has happened due to this? The memory size also decreased and your calculation also decreased. So this is how you make use of the BCD number and why this BCD code is used. Okay, this is the most simplest type of coding used